Looking for the perfect sweepers and accessories? Here's what you need to know. The 13.3V 0.75A power adapter is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants open black lens bracket compatibility. First, close black lens bracket compatible with Shark VACMOP cordless hard floor vacuum mop models. VM200, VM200C, VM20026, VM190, VM19026, VC200, UM200, UM205 and VC205. This charger uses a 5mm by 1mm round barrel plug. Please check your model number and charging port size before ordering. Designed to help you open black lens bracket. Important: close black lens bracket, not for small pin or magnetic port. Not compatible with Shark VM252, VM252C, VM251, QM250, VM250 are VACMOP models that use a magnetic charging connector, smaller charging pin, or different size charging port. If your original charger does not have a 5mm by 1mm round plug, this adapter will not fit. Great choice if you need open black lens bracket. Power specifications: close black lens bracket input, AC 100 to 240V 50/60ths of a hertz. Output: DC 13.3V 0.75A. Designed as a replacement charger for compatible Shark VACMOP 10.8V Li-ion battery models with the correct 5mm by 1mm charging port. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.